Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you a G45 tip where we're going to take your Graphic 45 package and we're going to turn it into something magnificent. In my opinion, Graphic 45 has some of the most beautiful product packages out there. And what better way to take advantage of the artistry that goes into everything that Graphic 45 makes than to reuse and recycle their packages. And the package that you're going to see me working with today is the antique brass stamped metal brads. So I'm using my X-Acto to remove the top portion of my package. And then we carefully remove each brad from the package. And once you've completely removed all the brads from the package, you just put them away to use on a different project. And now we're left with a Graphic 45 tag that is ready to decorate. I die cut two separate tags using the Graphic 45 regular tag die and sheets from the Floral Shoppe collection. And for the sentiment, I'm using a Graphic 45 Time to Flourish stamp, and I will be embossing this, and this is my very first time embossing, so bear with me. And here's another tip: if you happen to be missing your stamping block because it grew feet and walked away like it does quite often in my craft room, use an acrylic clipboard. After the stamping and the embossing, we're going to add some layers to our tag. And we're going to do this by just some simple eye measuring. We're going to do one layer first and then the other. And if you wish, you can distress the layers by using your distressing tool or the edge of your scissors. And here's another tip: use a 2-inch strip on an edge punch. It will give the appearance of a lace or a trim across your paper. We now join the sentiment to the frame by applying a very slim bead of glue around the edges, and we are going to glue this directly onto the frame, and then we're going to turn it over and apply some double-sided tape sparingly to ensure that it stays put. And before adhering the sentiment to our tag, we're going to use some flowers from the Graphic 45 Rose Bouquet collection for more embellishing, and we're also going to use some of the Graphic 45 leaf dies to die cut some leaves, and we will be using those for embellishments as well. We then apply a couple of squares of foam to add some dimension to our sentiment. After that, we hot glue our flowers into place. And for that elegant touch, I decided to apply a little bit of bling. And through the grommet, I decided to thread a Graphic 45 knob. And with some Wink of Stella, I add shimmer to the roses and around the edges of my Time to Flourish sentiment. I hope that you've enjoyed my Graphic 45 tips and tag tutorial, and if you just happen to land on this video and you're not a subscriber as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. At Decorate Your Life, I focus on paper crafting projects, shares, and tutorials. So click on that bell icon, that way YouTube will notify you each time I upload a brand spanking new video. I thank you all so much for watching my videos, and I thank you for the thumbs up, and I just enjoy reading your comments. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, alright? I will see you once again real soon. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye now.